Hey folks, old man Ralph out here again today on a Friday afternoon, and I thought I'd sing another tune for you. This is an old tune that I think everybody's done sang once in their life, and it's called I Can't Stop Loving You. I think the best one recording of it I ever heard was probably by Jim Reeves. But anyway, I figured I'd try it myself. So here we go. Hope you like it. I can't stop loving you. I've made up my mind to live in memories, the lonesome times. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, though long ago, still make me blue. They say that time heals a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you. Not made up my mind to live in memories of the old lonesome times. Just can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life, dreams of yesterday. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it, and have a safe weekend. Take care. Bye.